This child care center is one of many in New Jersey that must have staff fully vaccinated, or those who are not must submit to weekly testing starting Monday. Now, testing done at clinics and drugstores, they aren't that hard to find right now, but test kits that places like this want to use on site, those are harder to come by.
We want to implement it. We want to follow the guidelines.
But doing so by Monday is turning into a quest for Children of America in Marlton. A similar vaccine or test mandate is already in place in K through 12 schools. Center Director Kate Santino says there's a problem.
I personally went this weekend to look for a home test to kind of keep on site here as like a start, and I wasn't able to find any. We found some stores that say they're in stock, but plenty of others that are out. CBS's website even says due to high demand, deliveries may be delayed. 1/5 of Kate's staff members are not vaccinated. If they are not tested for whatever reason, we can't find a test, are not eligible to have a test, that affects about, on average, 5 children. So if all 4 of them, that's 20 children that I could possibly not care for because I don't have the staffing.
The parent company, which has 7 centers in New Jersey, sent a letter to the state's Department of Children and Families asking where can providers access affordable test kits that can be used on site. We also asked the governor's office about that. The response reads in part, while the state has not procured testing and vaccination vendors for child care centers, there are over 1,700 free vaccination sites across the state and many community testing sites. Kate says that isn't good enough when staffing and timing are of the essence.
If we can do it here, we can control it a little bit more and not have to cover shifts that we're already trying to cover because of lack of staff.
With no test kits on hand right now, the staff here will have to submit to PCR or rapid tests, both of which are acceptable by the state. In Marlton, Matt DeLucia, NBC 10 News.